In the moonlit realm of Transylvania, vampire queen Serafina ruled with elegance and power. Her palace, nestled among ancient oaks, echoed with centuries of secrets. Prince Viktor, her son, possessed a rare kindness that endeared him to both humans and vampires alike. One fateful night, Princess Lysandra, a spirited vampire from a distant kingdom, arrived. Sparks flew between Viktor and Lysandra, uniting their hearts in an unbreakable bond. However, a dark prophecy threatened their love. Together, they embarked on a perilous quest to defy fate and protect their kingdom. Alongside loyal allies, they faced fierce battles and cunning enemies. In the end, love triumphed, and a new era of harmony began, uniting vampire clans under the banner of love and unity, forever changing the fate of their immortal world.